Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to start getting paid for your courses? Let me show you how to connect Stripe and accept payments in Teachable. First, go to Settings Payments in your Teachable admin dashboard. Here you'll see your payment gateway options. If your school is in a supported country, you'll have access to Teachable Pay. This is Teachable's built-in Stripe-powered gateway. It's the easiest option and supports credit cards, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. To set it up, click Connect with Stripe, enter your phone number, and complete Stripe's quick verification. This usually takes just a few minutes. Then connect your bank account to receive payouts. You can choose your payout schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily pays out about 2 business days after each sale. Weekly pays every Thursday, and monthly pays once per month. Important note for international creators, if your country isn't supported by Teachable Pay, you'll be on the monthly payment gateway. This pays out to PayPal only on the first business day of each month. If you're on the growth plan or higher and not eligible for Teachable Pay, you can set up a custom payment gateway. This lets you connect your own Stripe business account directly. Go to Settings Payments and click Switch to set up a custom Stripe gateway. Before your first significant payout, don't forget to submit your tax forms. Non-US creators need a W-8, B, E, N form, which you'll find under Settings Payments. Tax forms, and that's it. Your Teachable school is now ready to accept payments. If you connected Stripe successfully, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.